Workforce and succession planning will play an important part of your role as a manager in the Council. This short video will outline the Workforce Planning and Succession Planning Toolkit, which is available on the core. The Toolkit is designed to help you have the right people in the right place at the right time. The starting point for both workforce planning and succession planning is horizon scanning. The Toolkit recommends horizon scanning as the best way to consider at a high level the key events that will have an impact on your workforce over the next few years, and also learn from what has happened in the years previously. Once your horizon scan is complete, the Toolkit then considers workforce planning and succession planning separately. Although they are closely linked, there are key differences and approaches to each. Workforce planning. The workforce planning section of the Toolkit focuses on workforce profiles and the workforce planning template. Workforce profiles. As a service manager, annually you will be issued with a workforce profile which will provide you with detailed information on your workforce. This profile includes key information such as the total number of employees, contract types, grades and working patterns, equality information including age and gender, location, turnover, absence rates and vacancies. The profile is a useful reference point for the workforce planning template, which may be a useful starting point in helping services consider and articulate workforce planning requirements on a page. Succession planning. The succession planning section of the Toolkit contains the succession planning template to help you document and review requirements. The first step is to consider what job roles are critical and why, and a series of prompts, questions, options and drop-downs are designed to help narrow it down. Guidance for filling in each section of the template is available for you to use. The next step is to consider the specific actions that might be taken to address the critical elements and risks you have identified. This will require more consideration and detail, and at times may need to be considered not just at a team level, but possibly at a service or directorate level. Again, a series of questions and prompts are there to help guide you through the process. To further assist, the Toolkit also provides several real-life examples of succession planning by council services that managers may find useful, and we hope you can help add to these examples through your own successful planning. Finally, the Toolkit highlights a range of data sources, internal and external, and contacts that might help inform your planning, explores ways in which you can ensure you have a voice in influencing planning at a local and national level, and highlights how apprenticeships and internships can also aid critical activities. When you come to undertaking your own workforce and succession planning, you can contact Organisational Development, who will be able to provide guidance and assistance throughout the entire process. If you have any questions or would like to discuss any of this video further, please contact Organisational Development at organisational.development@south-ayrshire.gov.uk, or give us a call on 01292 612 026.